Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Stan Store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you create and sell a course on Stan Store? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is a beginner tutorial, real quick, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create and sell a course on your Stan Store anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're making money online, you know Stan Store is a popular way to distribute that to your audience, and you can even create a course inside of Stan Store. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stan Store. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stan Store, as you can see here. Now, in order to create and sell a course on your Stan Store, here on the left, you're going to see this drop-down menu. You want to click on this button here called My Store. Okay, so once you're in here, you're going to see all of the different links that you have set up inside of your Stan Store. And in order to create and sell a course in your Stan Store, you want to click on this purple button here called Add Product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to scroll down until you see this button here called e-course. Okay, so the cool thing about Stan Store is they will walk you through, including with artificial intelligence, on setting up your course and also distributing it and selling it through your Stan Store. So this first part, we're just setting up just the basics. So first, here on the right side, you're going to see the button change as we choose the different styles. So for me, you can choose button, call out, or preview. I kind of like this call out button, and it lets me know what the course is, a brief about what the course is, and then how much it is. So we're going to scroll down a little bit. You can use this general image to sell your course on Stan Store right here, or you can go ahead and choose an image of your ebook or something related to the course that you're going to be selling. I'm going to go ahead and leave that for now, but if you want to change it, click on choose image. Okay, if you scroll down, then we're going to go ahead and add a title. So it's by default written as my 12-week program. Okay, so I went ahead and changed that, lose 10 pounds in 30 days. And then you can add a subtitle here. Okay, so faster and easier than you ever thought. Okay, so here on the button, so you can see right here, it says get my course. You can go ahead and change that to something that's related to your course. Okay, so I went ahead and changed the name of the button. And next, you're going to go ahead and click on this purple next button. Okay, so this is going to be the checkout button. So this is what they're going to see. So here you can go ahead and change the image by clicking on choose image. And then once again, you want to have something to do with your type of course, whatever that might be. So for mine, I might put exercise or somebody working out. And then we're going to change the description title. Okay, so I changed the title right here. Okay, so now we can go ahead and write a description about what this course is about. And the cool thing is they have built in AI. So you can click on this button here, generate with AI. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you can see this is the AI suggestion right here based off of my title, which is pretty good. So you can go ahead and just edit it down so that way it's a little bit more related to whatever your course is. If you like what AI has put together, you can go ahead and click on replace, and you can see right here the checkout page now has what was written through AI. I wouldn't recommend just automatically accepting what AI had written. You definitely want to go ahead and personalize it based off of your personality and then also off of your course. And we're going to scroll down a little bit. So we'll scroll down both. Okay, so the call to action, you can go ahead and leave it as purchase. Okay, so I went ahead and changed that, get my program now. Here we can go ahead and change the price. So I change this one to $59.99. Okay, and then what information are you going to need to collect in order to fulfill this order? So you can leave it at name, email. You can also put in a phone number, and if you click right here, you can put in a text box. So that way, if they need something more specific to each individual customer, check boxes, drop boxes. For me, the name and email is more than sufficient. So once all that checkout page looks good, go ahead and click on next. Okay, so if we look here to the right, this is what they're going to see on the mobile version, and you can go ahead and change the course homepage. So the homepage right here, we're going to go ahead and edit, and then this is going to change the homepage. So you can change the image if you like, and then also you're going to write a description about what your course is about. You can edit here. If you want, you can use ChatGPT to kind of prompt you on to write a good description. You can also change the colors, the title font. So once all of that looks good on the homepage, that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. Actually, go ahead and see. Okay, so I changed that to lose 10 pounds, and then you would change this to whatever your course is, and then click on save. Okay, so the cool thing is it's split up into different modules. So we have module 1 with 1 lesson or 2 lessons. And if you've ever used something like Kajabi, it's going to be basically the same thing. All you're going to do is just go into the different lesson, and you can keep building on this over time. You can upload a video here into your course. You can also upload PDFs here for supporting materials, and then you can go ahead and fill out the description here for the lesson number 1, and then click on publish. Okay, then it brings you back here. So you're going to want to go ahead and just build this out. Module 1, lesson 2, and then switch on to module 2 and module 3. So once you've built out your course and written it all out and included all of the different images and any kind of PDFs, you want to click on publish here. Okay, so now you can see on your Stan Store that your course is listed right here. Lose 10 pounds in 30 days as the price. So your users can actually just go ahead and click right into it. And here on the mobile version, this is what your Stan Store is going to look like. So I have this link right here, and then also my course. So remember that call to action button. This is what it looks like right here. Okay, now if you want to look to see what it looks like, you can just click right here and then copy URL. Okay, so here is what the link looks like as my course. So you can see, once again, this is on a desktop. Let me move me out of the way. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So $59.99 $1.99. And then here's the title that we typed in earlier. And remember, this was all AI generated right here. And then you can get my course by entering your name, your email, and here is the payment method. So they pay with Google Pay or with their card, depending on how you set that up. So let me go ahead and go back to my dashboard. Okay, so here I am back on the dashboard. Now, if for some reason we want to go ahead and pause this, you just click on these three little dots and you can click on unpublished. Okay, so now my course is in a draft mode right here, but whenever I want to publish, click back into it and then we'll go to option and then we'll click on publish. Now, one thing I want to let you know is you can actually update the settings on this. So just go back into the course right here and then we'll click on options. Okay, so when someone orders your course off of StanStore, you can go ahead and go here to confirmation email. Once you're here, then you can go ahead and type in what the confirmation email is. It's already set up, so that way it's going to have the customer name, the name of the product or the course, and then the course link, and then also your name. But you can go ahead and change that and personalize it if you wish to do so. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up and make a course to sell on your StanStore, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.